Hey y'all. So I was moved today to come on here to pretty much remind y'all that stress is real. Okay? Stress is cumulative. It builds up in the body and it does not look the same for everyone. I just posted something on my main feed sharing slightly a little bit about it, but just the fact that with everything going on, we all really need to have some way to manage our stress. Even me, even though I've shared in that post as well, my main feed, the practice that I use to help with my stress, all it does really is to help my surface level stress not go to being like chronic other level of stress. I have my fair share of stress, and I'm just getting to the point over the last 5 years. I got to the point where I'm able to manage it in a way that keeps it from snowballing. Okay, it doesn't mean I'm never stressed. That's far from true. It just means that I'm able to move it from being like this whole big thing to just being smaller of a reaction. So need to all be aware of it right now, because we can just now be feeling the effects of everything that's been happening for the first 6 months of 2020. Okay, because 2020 a mess. But I was saying in the post in my feed that I am sharing, this was not all to sell you something, this was actually to remind you something. I'm saying I'm offering my workshop that I did last year. I'm offering it at a reduced price of $20 off. It'll be $29 for a limited time, because why not? People need it. And I even had to go back and watch it and was like, okay. But yeah, just to give some sort of outlet for people to try something new. Because honestly, if you're somebody that's often stressed or have high levels of anxiety and all the things you've done before doesn't work, try something new. Okay, so that's what I came on here to say. But I'm still learning too. But this is what has helped me, and I hope that it's able to help y'all. So you can check it out. Link in my bio. My gratitude for stress relief workshop is there. It's $29 for a limit. In other news, I am trying to concentrate on making actual workshops and content like that, because I want to make sure that I'm partnering, making sure I am aligned with my beliefs and partnering only with brands, because if you don't understand content creation, which why would most people do, because we crazy. No, I'm just playing. Partnering with brands to help to bring content out free, to pay for the time, the production, all that stuff like that. But anyway, and resources. But I plan on making my own products more for 2020. My daughter's getting older. I've said this before, but y'all, she's a Taurus. Okay, she ain't no joke. But that's the plan for the rest of 2020. At least one more thing coming out. So that's a way to support. Okay, if people have been asking how to support. There's many different ways, but that's what I'm gonna say right now. I'm cutting onions. So far, there's no tears. Okay, I am actually working on food education content. Slowly. I'm thinking about August releasing it, but that's to come. That's it. Because by the time they come back, and if this food's not ready, they're gonna yell at me. Okay, so